Hi, I'm David with InsideOut Home Inspection. Today I want to share with you a wonderful product to help protect your home. Now, some people think that home protection refers to alarms and systems to keep people out. Well, today I want to talk about an alarm system to keep moisture out. And they're wonderful little devices that go in the drip pan of your furnace or water heater. And what they do when they sense moisture, they will either shut off the system or set off an alarm. And here we have one in this house here. Let me spin around. So it's this device right here. It's just a water alarm. It's got two little sensors. It sits in the drip pan. When it senses moisture, it's going to set off an alarm. Now they do make other various products that can be wired to the system, say your furnace. They can be wired to your furnace so that when you run your AC, if the condensation starts overflowing into the drip pan, it's going to shut off that AC system to essentially stop any overflowing in that drip pan. So wonderful devices, could save you thousands of dollars from expensive repairs due to damage up in the attic, insulation, drywall, any wood damage from a sustained leakage. That's it for today. Thanks.